morning, good morning.
Take shower. Are you okay? Mm. I see. Kuya John Ray Vlog, proud na Hawaii Yama here, my dear professional dancer. Big like it love. Oh, garden. My eyes swollen. My eyes eye bags already. Yeah, I just try to do like hi rock chef Mati. Hi, January Vlog. Uy, hi, panot. Long time no see. Pero bakit yung itsura ko dyan? Parang ang haggard-haggard ko. Hmm? Maghanap nga tayo ng filter. Oo, parang ang haggard-haggard ko dyan. Ang haggard-haggard ko. Minsan lang ako mag-live, pero I'll try to do live now. Mm. It's been so long since you have been live, my dear. Correct. Correct, Rocket. Correct. Actually, it's like, how long is it? More than a year na? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. It's been a long year, month. Oh no, not month. I think so. It's not month. It's been a year. Yeah, 2 years, 1 year, 1 year, 2 years. 1 year or 2 years. 1 year or 2 years. I came running over when I got your notification. Oh, nice. Thank you so much. Well, I appreciate that, my dear. Well, I just try to do live in my YouTube channel because maybe this few days, or no, maybe this a few months, I just started to do upload my video, or maybe yes. Uh, yeah. I just trying to upload some videos on my YouTube channel because it looks like it's nice to do upload even though we don't have viewers, yeah, likers, or still we need to upload YouTube channel because I have still ads on my YouTube. Mm. I appreciate that, dude. Mm-mm. Yeah, it's nice to see that. Save highlight. Mm. Well, we can find so na hindi siya ba copyright ba? Hi, John Ray, you still be there. Hi, Panot. Long time no si Panot. Ha, Panot? John Ray, kumusta na? It's long time no see. Kuya John Ray Vlog, hi, how are you? Ayan. Yes. John Ray he is the one before have GC, like a group here in YouTube channel. It's been many years. I think it's been already like a year. We've been together. Right, John Ray? Right, John Ray? Pero bakit hindi siya mag-ano? So, nice to see you guys. So happy naman ako. Actually, I just tried to do live in YouTube. I never expected that I have viewers to come. Yeah, but where you know I am always looking for new upload video. Really? I'm not so sure because I'm just lazy to upload and edit because I don't have any idea to do upload in my YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't know what kind of content I upload. Oh, I'm just like lazy. I'm lazy. I'm lazy. Then but thank you so much for that. I'm lazy. Yeah, I'm lazy. Lazy. Mm. Look at my face. Please check your messenger. I sent you your name picture. Really? Later. Because if I check my messenger, I'm disappear. I am disappear. Maybe later. I disappear if I check. Haba na pala ng buhok ko dyan. Yeah, later I check on it. Thank you guys for coming for my live streaming. Unexpected. Pero I'll just try. You know what? I just try to do like why have a view? Why don't have like I need to attach the yeah. Not base of pearl. You make me crazy. Yeah, that's why I check on the messenger later because once I go to the messenger, my YouTube channel, my live streaming is disappear. It's gone and live streaming. So thank you so much. You're not busy now? You're not working? Hmm? You're not working? I saw a lot of your video just like you're working always in your backyard or your backyard or your background, backyard or front yard. Yeah, backyard and front yard. You're doing some, cutting grass. I don't know. Wow, thank you so much for that. Oh, I have already 10 minutes unexpected. Duh. Oh yeah.
This one is my friend take credit. After that, I deliver to there. I go. My friend give me back. Long he take.
Oh, but thank you. Let me
I thought you can give. Have a good day.
4 is here. No, it's just 12. Okay, no, it's 12:29 a.m. Oh, so it's time to go rest or it's time to go to sleep because it's too early. 12:29 in the morning. Why you still up? What is here? Yeah. He forgot some delivery. Some, yeah. Actually, he came already at 11 o'clock in the morning and then he forgot some stuff. Two items. Yes, I am now been working down the street and clearing out the garden. Yeah, I saw that some of your content in your YouTube channel, you're just clearing all the grass outside your backyard, your backyard and front yard. Oh my God, I just look like I'm crazy. I'm nosebleed ba? Nosebleed. Ah, nosebleed. I'm nosebleed na. Oh, thank you so much for 2 million. 2 million. Mm. Ayaw ko na sa'yo. Trip na tayo. Yan, gusto ko. Just put it there and just make it sound like I am still up because I thought that you were going to be live. Just say, really? Not really. Really? Not really. Not really. It's been really. There was no way I was going to miss you. Whoa, boom, panes. You make me fun. You know what, Jeff? You make me fun. Don't make me fool, ah. Don't make me fool. Really? Wow, I appreciate that too. Yeah, thank you so much. Well, I think I need to prepare a lunch with my boss. Hmm. So I end up my live now. So you need to get some rest na because it's early in the morning, 12. You need to go to sleep. Hmm. I know that. But still, thank you so much and I appreciate that. And then I want to say bye for now because I just preparing for lunch for my boss. I just trying to do live on my YouTube because just trying. Ah, okay, so meaning you eat. It's a midnight. I was kind of that. It's a midnight snack. It's a midnight snack. Is that a midnight snack? Hmm? Midnight snack? It's kind of midnight snack. Nice seeing you. Wow, cool. I appreciate that now. Thank you. Ice cream. Ice cream in the midnight. How it's not too good. You're the best ever, my dear. Wow, thank you. Look at my face. You know what? They have a three babies fish. They have a three pieces. And then after that, I put in the one together in the container. Oh my god, the one fish eat the baby fish. So irritating. Now the three baby fish is gone because they eat them. Look, oh, there's a fish. Yeah, you know what? This morning I clear up all this fish. Then yeah, goldfish. This morning before I clean this aquarium, they have a three baby fish. And then you know what? I removed them. I put in there. I put in one container with together this fish. Oh my god! After one, I think after 30 minutes or 20 minutes, the three baby fish is already gone. So meaning they eat them. My god, miss. You are the best fish I ever met. No, not really. I'm not fish lover. Just look, oh, they have another fish. Out, out. You know what? What is this? Did you know this? This is the Titanic ship. Titanic. Titanic. There's a Titanic. Yeah. And then we went together. Then both. Look, I show you. I show you, huh? After that. The Titanic log is already Titanic. Yeah, look, it's yes, or a private ship. Yes, it is. Actually, it is. Even in Titanic, you know that uh, it's been cracked. You know, if you're watching the Titanic, the ship is already cut into half, right? So that's it. So cute. Then the fish come in. Look at the fish. Hey fish. You know what? The baby fish, the 3 pieces of the baby fish is gone already. They eat them. They eat them so bad. They eat them. Mhm. They're so Yeah, me too. I love romantic movies. I like it so much. Yeah, I like it too. Hmm. All right. Bye bye for now, Jeff. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you so much to come with me, to join with me. Thank you so much. I wanna say bye bye for now. Bye bye. See you next time. Because I do some works. I prepare for my boss food for lunch. Yeah, I like it that. Yeah. Kung Fu romance and fighting and historical. I don't yeah, I love those that things. And of course I love horror too. Horror, oh I love it. Horror, I love it. See you, bye bye, and see you next time, Jeff. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining. Thank you. I appreciate that, Jeff. Thank you. Show my face. Boom. Hmm. Bye bye. Hmm. I'm haggard. Yeah. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.